It's Vardy. Ball through needs to be good here. He gets past his man. He's had that big chance. They are comprehensive winners. And after all of that, Jim, what do you... The world and his wife have gone to great lengths to be here for a match of great consequence and massive interest in these parts. Barely a breath of wind, so the football has no excuses for not being at its very best. The teams I know are pumped for this. They are fantastic scenes in the stands. There is a great sense of drama here, a great sense of excitement and expectation. This one of the great amphitheatres of the game. You are welcome to it, and indeed to one of the grandest fixtures. We have already started here. Forward it goes. And it's Lampard. He's made sure that that won't get through. Lampard tried to play it through.
Clearly is miffed, having made the run and not get picked out.
Lampard.
Midway through the first half, and there's an impotence about this game that's causing me concern, and probably most of the stadium too. Let's just hope that by the end, it'll have been forgotten.
Played back in. It's a poor throw that, picked off with relative ease. Pass needed to be better than that, and he knows it. It's rushed!
Right on the bootlaces, and it packed a lot of venom for what was a really potent strike.
England break the deadlock.
Look, he's the one everyone expects to put the ball in the net. That's what he's paid to do.
Alexander-Arnold. He's picked him out. Oh, well defended. That had to be done. He could have been in, just needed a better final ball.
Quality deserted them when they really needed it.
And here's the chance to counter. Speculative strike. Beckham. Hardly anything between the sides. And the score is 1-0. Vardy plays it out to the flank. Good idea, just poorly executed. He's had that put on a plate. Oh, well played, he needed to get that right. Xavi Alonso. Beckham. Vardy has a pop! Disappearing out of sight. Lovely goal, perfect poise to set himself for the strike. England grab a couple of goals without reply, it's 2-0.
That second goal has such a polarising effect on prospective moods. I mean, one team are under more pressure now to get the next goal, and the other success with another show of strength.
England go in at half-time on a comfortable two-goal cushion. And we're already back underway here. He's had a shot! They are pulling clear here.
Oh, that was a cracking little exchange to set up the finish, and a lovely understanding between both players. I mean, that's clearly tailored on the training ground and delivered beautifully on match day.
3 without reply. This is becoming a stroll. Xavi Alonso goes looking. Chilwell. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Rashford. Vardy. Chance! An awesome performance! They are in complete charge! Just so calm under pressure.
Well, I think that defence there thought they were in good position and they had him where they wanted, yet somehow he's worked.
Rashford! Xavi Alonso. Chan has a pop! Oh, terrible mistake. Czech catches it safely. Roberto Carlos plays it long. Fernando Torres goes for goal! England have a goal, but it's hard to see it as anything much more than a consolation. Vardy shoots! Dinks one in. Shaw gets into the right position to intercept. Alexander-Arnold. Beckham. Beckham plays it forward. Mbappe. He's in! It's one! So is this the start of a comeback?
Well, it's been an absolutely fabulous spell for them, and they're starting to look unstoppable. There could be more on the way.
And here's Vardy. And it's played forward. Fernando Torres going through.
Well, when the options aren't quite present in the box, it's the crosser's interest to hold on for the support.
Looking to force his way through. It's Rashford!
With real pace like that makes it so much harder for the keeper, and he was never going to get to that.
His second of the game, and an eye now for the hat-trick. England blast themselves into a 3-goal lead. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. And it's Chilwell. Rashford tries a shot! Their perfect day. For their victims, it is entirely imperfect. Comprehensive win.